right, here goes nothing. Whoa, that's it. Whoa, that's thick, boys. Whoa, wow, look at that. Okay, so here we are. Really like to show, well, I like to show everything as it happens. Yeah, that's some good stuff. That there's some good break and axle territory for sure. For sure. I think that go around's pretty nasty. I might try that out. Bury myself, right? Well, that could be a problem right there. Okay, I'm working my way back through the it's called the left side of the ATV park, towards the hard side, and I'm going through some sections I have never physically ever even walked through before. I've seen some of it on videos. All right, this part looks thick. I've never been through here before. This is stuff that I avoided like the plague with the old Kodiak. Oh, give her shit. Whoa! Friggin' sweet! I know we're not going that way. I'll probably get through there, no biggie, but I want to explore this. This is over here. This is bad. Yeah, so that section right there, there's many videos. Elemental ATV has some, ATV has some. Yeah, that's a bad spot. So, try this out. Oh, tree roots. Right now we're in the thick mud season. If it's really thick and peanut buttery and I can't get any momentum, then it's bad. So this one, I have no idea how deep it is, but there's a big root. There's an obstacle right at the end. my freaking wheels are spun sideways. No, it's not happening. We'll just grab a winch.